In today's video, I'm going to teach you BOGOS App Shopify, a walkthrough and tutorial video. We're going to install the BOGOS free gift app on your Shopify store and walk through the first-time setup so you can start offering buy one, get one style promotions with confidence. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, head to Apps, then choose Add Apps to open the Shopify App Store. In the App Store, use the search bar and type BOGOS. In the results, select the BOGOS free gift app to open its listing. Click Install to begin, then confirm by clicking Install again on the permissions screen. Take a moment to review the permissions so you're comfortable with what the app needs to function. After installation, you'll land in the app. Look for the App Plan section to review available options. Choose the BOGOS.io free gift plan, then select the Try with First 30 Orders option to start your trial. This lets you test live without upfront risk and see exactly how the offers behave in your storefront. As the app opens, you'll notice certain inputs and buttons highlighted to guide you. Whenever you see a highlighted field, type the requested information, then continue by clicking the highlighted actions. This helps the app tailor your default settings and make sure core features are enabled. You'll see a Welcome to BOGOS screen. Click into it to access the main dashboard. From here, use the gift icon to open your offer center where your campaigns live. Click the plus icon to create a new offer. This is where you'll define your rules like buy X, get Y, set qualifying products, and decide whether the gift is automatically added or selected by the customer. If you want to see what shoppers will experience, click the eye icon to preview the on-store widgets and cart behavior. Previewing is an easy way to check that product selection, quantities, and messages look right before you publish. If you navigate back to the Welcome to BOGOS section at any point, open it again and choose Start Onboarding. The guided onboarding walks you through the essentials in the right order, connecting products, enabling theme widgets if needed, and confirming the settings that make your offers visible to customers. Follow the prompts, fill in highlighted fields, and accept any suggested defaults to get a working setup quickly. Once everything looks good in preview, you're ready to launch your first BOGOS campaign and watch it encourage larger carts and happier customers. Thanks for following along, and enjoy boosting conversions with BOGOS on